I'm going to show you how I grow my spinach in Osaka. The seeds are from Daiso for 50 cents. There are many seeds inside the package, which means you can grow plenty. This container is also from Daiso for $1. And this ready-to-use soil is from Konan. It is recommended to grow spinach within 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, which is from March to June in Osaka. And the harvest period is from May to August. Each seed should be grown 6 centimeters apart. And you can start to harvest when the leaves are about 20 to 25 centimeters tall. I didn't strictly follow the instruction, as I have limited space. Instead of setting up 2 rows, I made it 3 rows. I overcrowded my container. The middle row doesn't have enough room to grow. Spinach leaves do need a lot of space to stretch out. And this one doesn't look healthy. There are many insects on the leaf, and I'm very worried that they're gonna damage my spinach. So I decided to harvest earlier, and I personally prefer young leaves. Then why not? I cut the outer leaves around the crown so that I can come back and harvest later again. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.